Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. This channel is dedicated strictly for Forex trading, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. And we have a lot of strategy on this particular channel, profitable strategies and indicators. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do that, so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategies or indicators, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex brokers outside there. Make sure you check them out. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you open a demo account with them first. Try out your strategy, and if you are consistent with your trading, then you can go live with your hard-earned money. Now let us move on to today's strategy. As I said, this strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this winning forex trading strategy. Just follow me closely as I show you how I use this particular strategy. Here on my channel, I have this white indicator that look like a moving average. I have this also. They are the same indicators. The white and the blue are the same indicators, but with different settings. Then I have the arrow indicators here and the TDI indicator. Now let me tell you how I use this particular strategy profitably. Number one thing you have to look out for is for this indicator to turn from white to red for a sell, and once it turns, then this can turn to the two line. The red and the white line must cross below this yellow thick line before you can consider either to take a sell for this particular signal I'm trying to analyze right now. And once you have the first one and this in agreement, if you're an aggressive trader, then you can place your trade. Since we have this yellow arrow, this indicator, all in agreement, and the two lines here are below the yellow line, then you can place your trade. And after you've placed your trade and you want to enter more trade, then at this particular point where we have the second line in agreement, you can place your trade also and make more money. But if you are a conservative trader, you can wait until the two lines are in agreement here and place your trade. And this is how to trade this particular strategy. This is a sell setup that we have on my screen right now at this particular point. This is a sell setup. And let's move back a bit and see other setup for a buy. So at this particular point, we did have a confirmation here for a buy. The two lines cross above the yellow line, then this is the best position for you to place your trade. Your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low, then ride the trend. And if you want to enter more trade, you can do that. At this particular point where we have the white arrow here for a buy, you can enter more trade. This is how to use this particular strategy on any time frame you want to trade. Now let's check it out on other pairs. So here is it on the USD Japanese yen, and this was a clear signal. We have the two line cross above the yellow line, and we have confirmation here. The two line did confirm it at this particular point. And if you want to use the first white line, then you enter your trade and make good profit using this particular strategy. This does not repaint. And for a sell setup, let's check it out. Here we have a good run here. This is another sell signal that was generated with this particular strategy. With all the indicators have combined together, this did cross below the yellow line and we have a good run. At this particular point, you can enter more trade. With this yellow arrow, you can enter more trade and use trailing stop to follow or to secure part of your profit as you trade. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want to trade, but I did trade but I do trade few pairs. This is Euro Australian dollar, this is Euro New Zealand, this is New Zealand Japanese yen. We have this on gold, this Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. So you can use it on any pairs you want to trade as long as it is MT4, because this strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4. Do trade on regulated forex brokers. All the indicators I used here, check the video description to download all the indicators I use for this particular winning trading strategy on MetaTrader 4. And do make sure you download my templates. I do not want to go over the indicator one by one and show you the setting, but when you use my template, you are going to have the same setting like mine. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your trading. Look out for major impacts like we have it here on this day. Make sure you check for major impact. I mean major impact news before you take that particular trade. You can stay away from that particular pairs, either 30 minutes before the news or 30 minutes after. Better still, you can stay away completely from that particular pairs for the day, so that nothing will affect your technical analysis. Till I come your way again, make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers.